Hello, this is a Kohler 3-bolt tank to toilet fastening system toilet. This was the original gasket that was in there, and I don't know if it's an original Kohler gasket or not, but when I replaced the flush valve, I was forced into reusing this gasket because it's a special gasket, and obviously it leaked. So then I went and bought a fit-all gasket, and it leaked. So now what we have is a Kohler, genuine Kohler replacement gasket, and that's what we're going to put in here now. And the first step is to drain the tank. So turn the water off. Flush the toilet. Get rid of the top. And what I use is a sponge to get the rest of the water out. Alright, got as much water out as I can get out. Next thing is to disconnect the water. That should be hand tight. There'll be a little water in the pipe, so we'll put a towel underneath it. Alright, now we got to take the tank off. Where's the ratchet? And then we lift the tank off. And there is your 3-hole gasket. What a pain. Now we got to take that nut off. Okay, can you see the floor? No, you can't. So, what's different? Well, the bolt heads are completely different, as you can see. So, maybe this time it won't leak. So, what we do is we put this gasket up here like this, and slide those little sleeves into the holes. Like so. Then we take a plastic washer and we put that inside the gasket like that. And then we take the nut and push the flush valve back through the hole and tighten that. You to go a quarter turn after finger tight. There we go. Now these nuts slide down from the inside. Like so. And we put the tank back. spot someplace. Like that. Okay. Put some water back in it. And hook up the water valve. And turn the water on. Well, hopefully it doesn't leak. I will come back and let you know if it did. Looks good. We'll let you know.